Johnston and finding more exploits for the badstore.net. Alright, so let's go ahead and basically we're going to go to our badstore.net, which goes to our main page here. We can start off by doing a very similar SQL injection. Basically just like the last one we had, but this one will make you automatically the admin and see you're the master system administrator. And then there's some other things we can do too that's a little different than they showed us in the book. We can actually go to the robots.txt, and here it's telling the search engines don't look in here. So what are we going to do? We're going to look in there. We're going to find out what's going on in the background here. So let's see here. Alright, so instead of CGI bin, we're going to go into the backup folder. We're going to see what's in there. I think like a hacker. And there's nothing in here for us. So let's go, we already did CGI bin earlier. And we'll look up supplier. There we go. And look, it actually shows accounts right here. Oh, look what we have here. So we're not quite sure if this is MD5 or what the heck this may be, but we do have some information here. So if we go here and you download Cane Enable, they actually have a base 64 decryption built into it. And here, where it says B64, you can find out what's in there. And since I've done this before, I do know it's base 64, otherwise I would have tried the MD5 decryption or something like that. Yeah, see, they're showing us a whole link and everything right here. Now, let's go back to our store here, because they actually had another one. And it's the upload folder here. Let's see if there's anything in there. And we'll just open up a new tab. And we'll go to our upload folder here. And let's go ahead and just get to the main web page first. There we go. Now we'll try to upload. So it just doesn't show anything in there. So can't find a backdoor that way. But we did have something with our suppliers there with the base 64. And there was another exploit that was found. And this one is off the main site. It dealt with basically they have a guest book here, and in here we can do an extra exploit. Basically, we're going to inject some JavaScript in here, and in here we can actually see what's going on with our cookie. So basically we could break down our cookie. Here it is. And it's right here. This is what you would use for our exploit. And inside this store, I can't remember exactly how to do it, but there's a way to actually, I think it's through MD5, you can actually exploit this cookie and you can start changing the prices of the items through the cookie, because that's how the store is designed. Instead of the prices being behind the scenes, they implement it into the cookies. So that's where this exploit comes from. And then there's one more where you can actually, you put a script alert, and you do the XSS, and you do a closing script for the command. And what this does is basically it's going to cause an error, and through that error we can see the SQL table. And see, here's the error that pops up. We actually made an alert box to say this, and this is the error right behind it. So right here it's showing us which tables are being selected and from where, and showing that we can basically, this is where we actually inject our SQL injections right here after the where statement, because that's what this is basically being put in, is right in there. And that's all I've got for right now. I'm pretty sure there's more in here.